Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use the sources that you have connected in your Needl-ai account to consume information from all the sources at a single place and increase productivity. All the sources that you connect in your Needl-ai account will appear under the Connected Sources section on the left corner. Here, they are further divided into apps, websites, and exchanges. You can expand any of these categories to check out all the sources that you have connected. For example, these are the apps that I have connected in my account. If you want to connect more sources, you can just click on the plus icon here and follow these steps. You can also check out our videos on our support page on instructions about the same. Further, if you want to go to any particular app, you can just click on that app here and consume the information. Every app will have a Today tab which will have the latest information from that app that you can consume. So for example, this article came at 12:39 p.m. today. There will be further other tabs here depending on the type of app. You can also consume all of this information at a single place by going to My Data section. In My Data, all of these apps will be divided under different categories. As you can see here, I have websites, exchanges, chats, email, social media, etc. You can further go to any category and just consume the information from all the apps in that particular category. For example, in my chats, I have my WhatsApp and Telegram connected. You can either select any of these or let both the data from both the apps come at a single place. There will be multiple filters that you can play around here to further make this information noise free and just find what you're looking for. For example, in chats, you can filter out based on the sender, date, and priority. Similarly, in email, you will have filters which are similar to email. In social media, you will have filters which are more relevant to the social media accounts like bookmarks, handles, date, priority, etc. You can also fire a search here which will search within everything that is present in your My Data account, which will include all the search, all the information that you have. You can also check out our video on search to more about this. I hope this was helpful. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.